fishing, you know. What a day like today. It's fishing. Alright. Get a bite a while ago, yeah. Still up on the seaside, do some fishing. But the mosquito them a bite, so we get up them things here. We're gonna start a fire now. Come soon, John.
Yeah.
Alright, fire we gonna start. Right. Light in, John.
You know, light.
See that?
Like a piece of sponge.
Clear my foot first, you know, cause no one tip on no crooks, you know. John, hold the phone in my life. That video.
Like the dry part over here, so yes,
sir?
Yeah.
Ay! Yo, the mosquito will sting. Come on, live in. Yes, sir. We have it set out and go and wait. Two of them. Chop over here, so I drink Pepsi. Bad man, I drink Pepsi pan base.
Alright.
Yeah. So we out there without fear. So I look back on what I go on from the fire now. So yeah, my peeps, big up all of my subscribers them. Always remember to like, comment and share. Yeah people, so the fire basically catch now. Run with some of them mosquito here.
See if I find 2 more pieces of dry.
Alright, I look some dryers. Yeah. I look some dry stick now for going at fire. Yeah. So just big up all of my subscribers, them people, and I need enough help me grow that channel. Yeah, I want to try to release some video like even 2 times a week. I work differently, so sometimes I don't really have the time, but now I find out that the thing I work, so I go just put in the work for you guys can see. I know I view the thing. Yeah. And time to come give you a little gift and them things, so I want to stay tuned to the channel. Always watch the video them, subscribe, like, share the video them. Yeah. Yeah, and help the channel grow bigger. Alright, so when I finish find them stick here, we'll make them see what go on again and reach back around from the fire side. Alright, big up, soon come back. Yeah. Rain all come. Alright, come in and come move, come move.